Yes, friends, I hope you guys are well. Life is good. It's Tuesday evening. I'm in the park, just done a nice little workout, and I feel good. I feel good after a few pull ups, press ups, some fresh air. Nothing too heavy, just a nice warm up to keep the blood warm and going. It's cold today. It feels like a proper cold day. We're in October, the leaves are dropping. It's a beautiful season at the same time, and I really enjoy it. I enjoy this season, autumn, as the leaves drop and the weather gets cold. So long as it's like this and not raining, I'm happy. And life is good, friends. I'm just getting ready to go to my other part-time job. So I have a little gap in between my other day job that I've just finished. So I do a little workout. And life is good. Life is good to look after your health. Prioritize what is good and important to you guys. And that should be your health, your fitness, and then after that, everything else, your finances and so on. Talking of finances, as you know, I'm a big supporter and a small investor in the crypto market, in particular Bitcoin, because I believe in it. I believe it's a God-sent asset, a store of value. And unfortunately, I started late when the prices are very high. But what I do now is, since I've given up smoking, I'm dollar cost averaging and just buying £50 a week into Bitcoin itself, and as they call it, DCA, dollar cost average. So that money that I was gonna buy cigarettes with and spend it and use it against my health, £50 a week towards buying Bitcoin. And there will be people saying that, what's the point? It's very expensive and you're not going to get anything significant. That may be the case, but the price will rocket. It will go up eventually to £1 million a coin in the near future. So even that £50 will add up to be something. So that's the way to think about it. And that's the way I'm going about it. Otherwise, that £50 a week, I would have been smoking it and affecting my health, my lungs, my body, and this lovely existence that we call life. I would have shortened it. So now I'm looking after my health. I'm, getting fit, increasing the income by doing multiple part-time jobs. Why? Because my energy levels have increased since I gave up smoking. And that's where I can concentrate on other aspects of my life. Spend more time with my kids, try to find other ways to increase my income. And life is good, friends. I don't know if you guys have heard or not. There was a bank in Iran that collapsed, a big bank, and it collapsed. It's not the first bank to collapse, and it's not the last bank. But why did it collapse? Because you had cowboys running it, and even corruption and speculation into things that were not based on solid foundations, and the wrong people in charge, where they did not have the responsibility of making sure that people's money was safe, not spent and overstretched into things that would backfire. And backfire it did. And who's at the loss? It's the people, it's the civilians, it's the people like you and me that trust their money in banks. And we had it here, financial crash in 2008. So this is where Bitcoin, to me and to people who believe in it, reaffirms that it's a God-sent asset in terms of what it does. And it's a beautiful thing. No judge, no country, no army, no dictator, no so-called democracies can control it. And they can't print more of it. They can't type in digits and create more and, distribute it to people like me and you. And we slave away our whole life just to pay it off, something that they have created in thin air. And that's the beauty of Bitcoin. And I believe it's the future. And I believe that £50 that I'm investing every week will sum up to be something significant in the future. And if not, it's still going into something that I believe in, that may become something. I'd rather go through that than smoke it and buy these cigarettes that, you know, I gain nothing from. And life is good, friends. But as usual, these videos are just for educational, entertainment purposes. I'm not a financial advisor, and you should do your own research. You should do your own research, especially when you are ready to invest your hard-earned money. And we should be increasing our income. Once you can give up addictions that harm your body, then you work on your health, your fitness, and then increase your income. Because things are getting harder, more expensive. Inflation is another form of tax that they don't tell the ordinary people. But when they start printing more money, putting it into the system, the things that are produced are the same, but the money is a lot more. So that causes inflation. And unfortunately, working class people pay the most price for it. So we have to be wiser, prioritize our health, get our life in order, and increase this money and get the money to work for us. Invest it into stocks and shares. Everyone in the country as an adult is allowed £20,000 every year. Tax-free, capital gains free. Put it into a fund. Put it into shares that pay you a dividend. And it will grow. Slowly with time it will grow. And then it will amount to something. Where one day you don't have to work full time. Wake up at 7, finish at 6. You will have some time freedom. It may mean that you have to work part-time instead of full-time. I'd rather have that than be forced because of bills to work full-time. And I'm sure you get the gist, friends. Like I said, this is not financial advice. Do your research. Life is good, friends, and I'll be checking in with you guys again.